So this project really started like 2 years ago. That's when I first consulted with this client and we started talking about doing a koi pond for him. And he was very interested. And then at that point, it just didn't happen. He said he'd call back. And he did. And he actually called back, which is great. I was very happy to hear from him. So we got things moving again. And this time we're actually doing it. Look at this location. Not a bad way to spend a couple of days. Let's take a look at our job site here. So we have a nice fresh palette to work with. We're going to get this area completely transformed. 2 tiers is going to turn into a lower pond and an upper pooling area. Nice waterfall. Our waterfall is going to go in this area. This entire wall we're going to push back. Waterfall will start up top there. We'll have a pooling area. Waterfall coming down. Our pond area will be 8 feet across, about 12 feet long, 3 feet deep. Skimming system over there, pumping up top. Time to start laying out the vision. Got our skimmer, biofalls, and plumbing ready to go. This rock has got to come on out. All the excess cleared out. Now we're going to start digging down. And then we'll shave this area back a bit. Okay, so we're getting it opened up here. Making some room, making some room. Let's take a look inside the excavation. It's kind of cool. We're way down below grade right now, and as we move up through these different layers of soil, you get all these different textures, these different looks, and you get up to the point where all roots are coming through the whole ground. We have a whole root zone coming through here. We have all our levels in place. We went down a full 3 feet down in this area, 24 inch. 12 inch. Here's our water level. Our skimmer's in place. Job site graffiti is in place. We have our plumbing line heading up to the waterfall area. Look at that beautiful waterfall. It's fantastic. Job site graffiti goes into every new installation. Why do we paint the inside? Why do we do job site graffiti? For you. We want you guys to see what's going on here, to really mark the areas that we have so you can see the elevations, you can see the flat surfaces of the shelves here. That's why we do it. And it helps us too as a guide while we're excavating. So with the excavation complete, we're going to get in the underlayment, then the liner. Measure twice, more like measure 10 times. Liner for the pond is completely installed. We can start rocking it in now. That was so easy. Nice pile of rock. We need a bit more, but this is our first unload. We've been rocking. Let's go check out, see what we got so far. Along the inside, we're looking pretty good, Waterfalls in the making. Rock, and plant. We've got a beautiful weeping white pine going in the corner. Beautiful accent piece. Made some decent progress so far. We're about ready to get the waterfall area going. All right, so you guys want to see some more rocks being hauled around? You want to see some more digging going on? How about another wheelbarrow? Yeah, me neither. Let's go check out the finished project. Yeah, I've kind of had enough of the digging and shoveling and hauling rock. So we wrapped everything up. Let's take a look and see what we got completed here on this really cool project that we've been working on. Check it out. All right. So here's our pond. A couple days later, everything's up and running now. Even good old Mr. Frog over there in the corner. Woo! Mr. Frog's probably about 30 years old. You can see a few of the fish down in there. They're all hanging out right outside the fish cave. There's a real big fish cave right in this area. They can go right inside there if they ever want to get out of the midday sun or if they feel threatened by a predator like a great blue heron. La Cascada. Coming on down, really nice sound. Look at all that oxygen mixing into this water. So I'll tell you a little bit about the filtration that we have set up on this. We did a complete filtration system on the pond. So it's going to be comprised of a skimming system, a biofilter, pumping system, aeration, the whole deal. Let's go take a closer look at all of that. Here's our biofilter, which also feeds the waterfall. Located up top, very easy to access, easy to take care of. Only gets cleaned about 3 times a year. Our skimming system has this artificial rock lid, really super lightweight, easy to work with. Full Service Aquatics. And here we go. So all the water gets drawn into the skimmer from over here, goes to the inside. This basket fills up with big debris and just gets cleared out as necessary. This whole skimmer also works as the pump housing. So our pump is down below water down there. It's really clean, compact, easy to deal with. It does a great job of not just skimming the surface and cleaning the pond, but circulating everything and keeping all those components out of sight. Our lighting system is so our client can enjoy their pond any time of day, any time of night. This one is to highlight the waterfall right across the way. All that water pouring in and mixing, oxygenating, purifying the water, coursing through this little stream. It's awesome. Check out that nice clear water. Beautiful stuff. Very nice sound quality as well. Not only in the upper, but the lower. Check out our waterfall. About 4 feet high. 3,000 gallons per hour coming out over it. Originating from right up there, coming down and going through. Yeah. Yeah. And there you have it. The project took us about 4 days, start to finish. We got everything done. It's up and running now. Our clients are enjoying it already. And what a great project this was. A lot of fun to work on. And you too could have this. Just reach out to me. My name is Mike Gannon. My company is Full Service Aquatics. We're located in Summit, New Jersey. We service the New Jersey area, and we'd be happy to help you out with your koi pond, water garden, or water feature. Give us a call at 908-277-6000, and my website is fullserviceaquatics.com, or the easy name to remember is loveyourpond.com. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.